Meet the 81-year-old woman who is more flexible than most of us. Cao has been practicing yoga for the last 30 years. This daily dose of exercise has helped her remain fit and very flexible. She even believes that this daily practice has cured her from various ailments. Cao only began yoga when she was 50 and has been practicing daily ever since. It's never too late to start, guys. She can do the splits, bring her feet right up to her head, and other impressive moves. This is what her daily routine looks like. It is well known that yoga has numerous health benefits. At a senior age, it's highly beneficial. We can't believe how flexible she is. Most of us could never do that even though we're much younger than her. She puts us all to shame. I definitely feel inspired to start doing yoga today. Great job! I wish I could do some of that. Maybe one day. She's a living proof that age is just a number. She is absolutely amazing. Keep it going. If only I could be half as fit as her at my age. This 81-year-old woman is absolute goals. Who else feels inspired to start stretching now? Way to go!